Okay, I've been letting these guys fly free in here, so we'll see how comfortable they are. This is one of the blue females. Hi, baby girl. What are you doing, huh? This is the olive green. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's the olive colored one. I'm not for sure what color the mutation is on that one. Whoa, crash. Okay, there's a better picture of her. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, okay, I'm sorry. Yes. Oh, look at you. You're so pretty. Okay. Go hang out. Woo. Okay. Somebody's hanging on my leg. There we go. Okay. There's the white one. What are you doing over there, huh? Hi, baby. Are you hanging? There's the male Alexandrine up on the shower curtain. Yes. Can you climb up? Would you like just a little bit of help? No? No little? There you go. Okay, how's that? There, you can climb up on that. Go ahead. Yes, there you go. Yes. She's not friendly to the other ones, so we can't let her out with them. But I can have all these guys out. And the male Alex. Are you up on the shower curtain? Woo! Woo! Good fly, baby. Good fly. Yes. And then I'm missing one somewhere along the ways. Oh, hiding back here. Whoop-de-doo. Okay. Come on out, sweetie pie. Come on. There you go. Okay, who's that? And that's one of the other blue ones. One of the other blue females. Don't you look pretty up there? Well, yes. You're looking awfully pretty up there. Okay, I'm going to walk by very slowly. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. I'm going to freak everybody out. Aww, pretty, pretty, pretties. There's the blue. There's the white. There's the olive colored one. There's another blue one hanging over there in the shower curtain. There's the green female. There's Mr. Alex. You gonna get a bath, huh? You having fun? Ooh, yay! Good baby. Yes. There you go. Okay. Be back in a little bit. You guys have fun.